To solve a linear equation, you need to isolate x, or whatever the variable is, so that it's on one side of the equation and everything else is on the other side. However, there's more than one way to do this. Here is a linear equation. 4x minus 5 is equal to 3 times the quantity 2x plus 3. Probably the first step should always be to multiply using the distributive property so that these are out of the parentheses. We don't do anything with the left side, so we can just recopy 4x minus 5 is equal to 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times 3 is plus 9. Don't forget the plus. So now you have a choice. To get all the x's on one side of the equation, you could subtract 4x from both sides, or you could subtract 6x from both sides. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. And 4x minus 4x is 0. So what we have now is negative 5 is equal to 2x plus 9. The next step is, if we want to get x alone, we have an x term on the right side and we have a constant on the left side. So we want this constant that's on the right side also to be on the left side. We can do this by subtracting 9 from both sides of the equation. Negative 5 minus 9 is negative 14. So we have negative 14 is equal to 2x. And that became 0. So the last step would be to divide both sides by 2, and that would leave the x isolated by itself. And so as my final answer, I get negative 7 equals x, which is the same thing as x equals negative 7.